What's up guys? So one of the biggest player in the game, MC Brutal, almost got zeroed today. And I was talking about this in my previous video that it's relatively easy to zero a 2 billion power player, 3 billion power player because of renegades now. Megalodon Gyre are so much strong renegades that they have the ability to zero players with crazy amount of power, and that's what just happened. I think MC Brutal was in season map and he went offline and he was in resource mode, I believe, and at that time CGK clan raided him, used Megalodon. I think there is nothing new to talk about Megalodon. He's just so strong renegade that I think every player need to be alert about this. They need to protect themselves. Now it's not going to be the case that where you have like 2 billion power, 3 billion power, or I believe even 4 5 billion power and you went offline and think that nobody can burn you. Now it's very possible, and that's what we just saw now. MC Brutal was raided by CGK clan, and I will show you a battle report on your screen. I have few of them, and I noticed that MC Brutal was using Lanchin and Oscar inside his wall. Lanchin versus Megalodon, it just doesn't make sense. Lanchin is not going to do anything against a crazy strong Megalodon, and Megalodon is not just normal Megalodon, guys. He's maxed out. Every skill of this Megalodon is maxed out, and they utilize his power to 100%, and that's why they was able to burn MC Brutal. MC Brutal, I believe, also was in resource mode, and it's very normal to be on resource mode because you try to decrease the upkeep. You have a lot of T12 troops to save them. But the mistake MC Brutal did was that he doesn't check renegades inside his wall. And I've seen that there is a glitch with this game. Sometimes the renegades inside your walls just get removed. If you will switch skill, something like this, I've seen that I put renegades inside my wall and after a couple of days I check they are not there anymore. There will be all of them gone or one or two of them will be missing. I think possibly will the case with MC Brutal as well. He doesn't notice that he doesn't have right renegades inside his wall and they attacked him, and it will be a lot harder to burn MC Brutal if we have right renegades inside his wall. Just suppose that he have Megalodon, Stark and Keith inside his wall, then if CJK clan will raid him, it's going to be lot harder for them. But he have Lanching, guys. What Lanching is going to do against a maxed out Megalodon? And that's what happened. He went offline, they continued raiding him, and in this time, guys, reinforcing is not going to do a lot of damage. There is a limit how much troops you can put inside a mansion, and I think they tried, but a city raid, guys, is crazy strong. They have full city against one guy. What they can do? So that's just what happened with him. He almost got zeroed. I think he came back in time and protected himself. If he won't be coming on time, I think he would have gotten zeroed. So with this, the lesson is that nobody is safe now. If you really think you're going to be going offline for a long time, especially in a season map where you think they can attack you, or in Vegas battle, I think it's better to protect yourself rather than just going offline without bubble, just thinking that you have 2 billion power, 3 billion power is going to protect you, because nobody is safe now, and who knows what kind of crazy strong renegades we are going to get in future. This also, guys, make game a little bit more entertaining because now top players also have to protect themselves. They just cannot think that nobody can attack them. Now it's equal, it's same with every player. Every 6000 stats player can be burned. So it's not that MC Brutal is the only one who's going to get burned. If you doesn't protect yourself, you can get burned. If you do mistake, you will get burned. So that's the case now. And also make sure you check that you have right renegades inside your wall. I have a video about the secret renegade stats that GM don't want you to notice, and I think that's a very good video if you want to know what is the right renegades that you need to put inside your wall, or what is the right renegade you need to use while attacking. That's a very good video. I will be giving that video link in the description. You can watch that. This is it, guys. This is the new way to play this game. Everybody is equal. A 6000 stats player can burn another 6000 stats player. That's how it's going to go. So it's very important that you all protect yourself whenever you're going offline, because nobody is safe. It's not the first time, guys, MC Brutal have lost this much amount of power. I think he lost 1 billion power before too, when he was fighting in for governor. I think he was fighting against Cat Clan. He lost a lot of power. So I don't think that it's something new for him. He's going to bounce back and he's going to get stronger again. That's how MC Brutal is one of the smartest players in the game. So that's my whole opinion about this. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, peace.